specifically, I usually only use one kit brick, and it's great because I'll usually be wearing everything that I'm going to race in that day, and then I'll put all my dry stuff sort of in the bottom of the kit brick that I bring, and then my water bottle on top and my race gels and anything that I'm going to actually use for the race.
I like to imagine a piece of gear on myself and utilizing it as I'm racing. Okay, I'm going to take a gel. I need shoes. Having one spot to put it all that you can also separate within the kit brick is really useful. When I show up to a race, I know that I have everything contained in the same package and I haven't forgotten everything.